announces the temporary reopening of the recreational fishing season for the federal charter vessel headload component for red snapper in Gulf federal waters. The red snapper for hire component will reopen on October 15, 2021 and will remain open through November 5, 2021. The for hire component for red snapper will close again on November 6, 2021. During the closure, all red snapper harvest by the for hire component is prohibited and the bag and possession limits are 0. A person aboard a vessel with a federal charter vessel headload permit for Gulf reef fish must also follow these closure provisions in state waters. Direct questions to the National Marines Fisheries Service at 727-824-5305. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio, broadcasting to the Rio Grande Valley from your National Weather Service in Brownsville.